What's going on, guys? Kyle here from GuideWise. In this video, I will show you how to highlight the best moments using GlingAI. First, you need to upload your video to GlingAI. Then select Continue. You can then enhance your video using some of the AI options. For this video, I won't use any of the options and just click Enhance and Edit. So once your video has been processed, you will see a transcript appear. You want to look for key moments, strong sentences, or important points, and then delete everything else. For example, if I just want to highlight go-karting, I will then delete everything before it, and you can see it also deleted from my video. This helps you keep only the most valuable parts of your video. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe.